Hello, city residents. I'm Glenn Brown, the Public Safety Director and also the Director of Emergency Management. We're here today to give you some tips to follow pending the arrival of Hurricane Sandy. 1, you should take a disaster preparedness kit. 2, ensure that you remove all loose furniture from decks and patios. 3, maintain contact with elderly and disabled family and friends. In the event of an evacuation, take all medications with you. 4, in the event of an evacuation, your pets can be housed. For additional information, feel free to call 973-321-1410.